Hey guys, welcome back to War on Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you that have a Jeep Compass or Jeep Renegade guys with the 2.4 multi-air engine. That engine has been used in multiple guys vehicles, but you can find it in these two vehicles as well. Now we will explain guys if you have engine light on and any of the following three codes, code P2304, code P2305 or code P2306, how to fix that and what causes most likely guys these codes. Make sure to stay until the end. You can see the engine is out of the car simply because guys we did an engine replacement on that vehicle, and with the engine out we decided to make about 100 videos. We already made them, by the way, how to take the whole engine apart, how to replace every component on it. And the engine being out, we have all the room to show you guys how to do everything. Another thing, we're in the process right now of making about 100 videos for engine codes, diagnostics and common problems. So if you guys have one of those, please guys subscribe to the channel and like the video. We do all that guys so we can save you as much money as we can. All we need is a subscribe and a like. Now, many of you guys constantly ask me in the comment section below where we get all our parts and tools from and what scanner we recommend. So now all the tools and parts that we use guys, okay, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, so check them out if you need the tools and parts to fix your problem. The scanner that we use, it's this Maxicom here guys. We have multiple scanners as you know at the shop. We have probably more than 10 scanners, but that's the one that we use the most guys, and the one that I think it's really worth the money. It's affordable to the point that it can pay itself in one-time use instead of going to the dealer. It works on all American cars, all European cars as well guys. We use it on Mercedes, we use it on BMWs, we use it on Porsche, on Audi, Volkswagen all the time guys, and it works on most Asian vehicles as well, especially all of them that we get here in the US. So now let's guys show you what causes these codes. You will have your engine cover on. We have ours painted white, but usually it will be black, and it will be on top of the engine. Okay, it will be on top of the engine like that. So all we have to do, just it will be pushed in, so we have to firmly grab it with one hand on this side, one on this one, and it will come loose. And here guys, it attaches to the engine at 4 different posts. 1, 2, 3, 4 guys, right there. And once you remove it, okay, you're going to get to your ignition coils. This is the device that actually guys actually tells the spark plugs and creates the spark for the spark plug. So this is the ignition coil guys. You have 4 of them. This is cylinder number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now these codes guys, they relate to ignition coil cylinder number 2 guys. All of these codes relate to that. And what you can have, okay, most likely you may have a loose connector. Make sure that red plug-in thing is connected all the way in. Okay, it's pressed all the way in. Make sure the wires are not eaten by a rodent or some kind of animal. Sometimes we had mice in the engine bay that ate all the wiring harness for the ignition coil, so that was causing the problem. Number 3 guys, if all that checks out, it's bad ignition coil. We have a video on the channel that explains how to replace them, but those are the top 3 reasons that we see here at the shop. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.